Taryn asked, if I want to make a career change, how do I go about doing that and being brave?
So depending on what the career change is and where you are, we can get more personalized. But the general thing that I would say, not knowing that additional information, would be, so like for instance, I don't know at this point, do you need additional training for that career? Is it something where you're just feeling afraid and you're not applying, and just the fear stopping you from applying, but really all you could do is start applying to get started? I'm not exactly sure, but I can say that the bravery comes with action. The bravery will never come in theory.
Mm.
It just doesn't, because as soon as we have that beautiful shining moment, the series of doubts and whys and questions and hows come in. So act fast in the in the way that you can. I'm not advising anyone to ever do anything that's rash or dangerous for them, of course. But meaning, if you're like, oh, I need additional training, and something comes through and you feel that zing of like, I'm going to do it. Sign up for the class, do the thing right away, because then you start to move. That would be the best generalized advice I could give.
Amazing. Amazing.